Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to open notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. If you swiping down anywhere on the home screen, notification panel will open. As of now, I am swiping down here, but notification panel is not opening. So if you would like to do it, what you have to do is first you have to do some settings. Go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen. And here turn on the button against swipe down for notification panel here. And now go to the home screen and swipe down anywhere on the home screen. See here, notification panel has been opened. Okay, once again I am doing. I swipe down here and the notification panel open. Okay, in this way you can easily make notification panel opening by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.